Phillip Horry.
I'm a reasonable man. I tell you what, if you come to my ship before night falls, I promise you all the treasures in the world. But a second late, and I'll cut your legs off.
Wow, ever since you came into my backyard, it's been nothing but grand times. I love you, fuzzy alien from another planet.
And I love you, Jacob.
I wasn't the type that usually goes to bars, but I knew tonight was special. I walked through the door, and there she stood. In a nice pink satin dress, I decided to make my move. "What up, chickadee?" I said, and she said,
Oh my goodness, don't hit on me!
Oh, hello there, Daniel. It's so good to see you awake. Where were you, say? Oh, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. I'm just sprucing up the place. You know, making some stew for... Well, one, really. I know there's two of us here, but, you know, I'm not so good with, you know, sharing anyway, but I'm a great cook. So how about we have some Daniel a la mode?
"You'll have to forgive me. I'm usually not a man of words. I'm more of a man of action. If you get what I'm saying. You know, with you and me, together, alone, naked." I hope you like what you heard, and remember, my name is Phillip Horry.